and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the backpack with the Hanna Backpack Lab Soil Quality Educational Test Kit. The HI3896BP is a classroom in a backpack. This soil quality educational kit enables teachers to introduce students to crucial chemical tests for evaluating soil quality and fertility and relate these measurements to the principles of plant metabolism. In the backpack, there is a teacher's resource kit, 2 HI38936 soil test kits, a HI14500 T-shaped Celsius thermometer, and finally a HI98129 combo pH, conductivity and TDS tester. Let's take a closer look at each of these products. The backpack that comes with the kit is made from durable material and features hidden zippers. There's a small pocket at the front, and a main large pocket at the back, and adjustable padded straps. The teacher's resource guide contains a number of valuable materials, including a teacher's handbook, which outlines the basics of soil, some safety tips, information on nutrients and parameters, and an extensive glossary of terms. There's laminated field test procedures for testing the nitrogen, potassium, pH, temperature, phosphorus, electrical conductivity, and TDS. An information sheet on how to access the backpacklab.com. On the site you can access lesson plans and more. And last of all, there's a CD that contains a soil quality PowerPoint presentation, key soil terms, and a parameter summary. The Combo pH EC TDS tester is a fast, efficient, accurate, and portable waterproof multi-parameter meter, featuring automatic temperature compensation for accurate results, automatic 1 or 2 point calibration, a hold function, and automatic turn off to conserve battery life. In the box, there's 20 ml of cleaning solution, storage solution, pH 4 and 7 buffers for calibration, and buffers for conductivity and TDS calibration. There's an instruction manual and a calibration certificate, a reminder to move the battery cover, the electrode removal tool, a pH electrode with the electrode immersed in some storage solution, and the multi-parameter meter. The meter consists of a large LCD and easy 2-button design. The sensors are located on the base of the unit, with the right-hand side housing the EC TDS electrode, temperature sensor in the middle, and a place to insert the pH electrode on the left. To insert the pH electrode, carefully remove the clear cap. There may be some crystallization around the cap, this is normal. Remove the small cap at the top of the electrode. Carefully place the smaller silver end into the meter. Next, you'll need the electrode removal tool. The electrode removal tool has an end for locking and unlocking, and on the other end is a mechanism to pull the electrode out. Insert the tool into the probe cavity and rotate the electrode until it locks into place. The electrode will sit flush with the meter. It's now ready to be used. Next is the HI14500 thermometer. This T-shaped digital thermometer with stainless steel penetration probe offers an ergonomic design and delivers high accuracy measurements over a wide temperature range. Another great feature of this thermometer is CalCheck. This is a self-check of its calibration status, and it displays on the LCD. This ensures accuracy, repeatability, and confidence in readings. In the box is a calibration certificate, an instruction manual, a protective cap which can also be used to hold the thermometer on the side of the vessel, a rubber cap, and the T-shaped meter. As you turn the device on pressing the on-off button, cal check is performed. Then the meter immediately starts taking temperature measurements and displaying them on the bright, clear LCD screen. The other button is a hold button. This pauses measurements on the screen. And lastly, there's a stainless steel probe. This features a spear tip to aid in penetrating soil samples. Last of all, there are 2 soil test kits. We'll unpack one to show you what they contain. There's a soil test handbook. This provides further information on soil and plant life, physical and chemical composition of soil, and some soil analysis tips. There is 25 sachets of each of the following reagents: phosphorus, nitrogen, and potassium. There are 2 120ml bottles of extraction solution and 1 70ml bottle of pH indicator reagent. There's a brush, 3 1ml pipettes, a spoon, five test tubes in a test tube stand, and 4 colour indicator cards for pH, potassium, nitrogen, and phosphorus, and a graduated card for measurements. The tools included in this backpack lab provide teachers with a valuable tool in helping students address important issues related to soil quality and modern agricultural practices. Teachers are able to introduce students to important chemical tests for evaluating soil quality and fertility, and relate these measurements to the principles of plant metabolism. And that's what comes with the Hanna Backpack Lab Soil Quality Educational Test Kit. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.